are back to working on the boat, and today we are going to take it on the water for actually the second time. Yesterday we took it on the water for the first time, just see if it works, see if it floats, which it did. So that's awesome. And then what we're actually going to do today, so in this tank over here, this boat actually has two 25-gallon tanks. This one's full of good fuel, that one's full of bad fuel. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to go hook up my truck to the boat and pull it forward to probably like right over there, so the boat's on a downward slope. That way I can get all the old fuel out of the boat. So let's go ahead and hook it up. Oh, shit! Woo! Dropped you guys. And now the boat's all hooked up. And I really wish the boat sounded as good as my truck. Oh, so good. But yeah, let's pull this thing forward. Alrighty guys. Let me go get my buckets to siphon this thing out. Oh look, there's still some water in there from yesterday. But yesterday guys, actually the boat ran pretty well. There were some kinks in it, but I think it worked itself out. Oh my gosh, guys, look how much it's been raining. These have just been sitting outside. This is all rainwater. Good Lord. They're all full. Dang. Alright. Like, yeah, guys, yesterday when we were first putting the boat in the water, we were in a no-wake zone, and the boat, when I was trying to move it with under minimal power, it just kept dying on me, and then finally we were able to get it up to speed once everybody got on the boat, and it was working and running just fine. And then we stopped and swam for a little bit, and then the boat was just underpowered after that for a while, and then we stopped again, and then I started driving, and then the boat ran just fine. So after that it ran perfect. So hopefully it just worked out all the kinks itself, and today we're truly going to test that to see if it worked out all the kinks after sitting for a day. But first thing that we're going to do is get all this old fuel out, because it's nasty, gross. Don't run it running through the boat, because it could clog up my jets in the carburetor. I think our best bet, without having to take off that tube, is just stick the siphon hose down in there, which I have right over here. Hopefully it'll go all the way down. Still got some oil in there from the jet ski right there. Hopefully I'll get that on the water soon too. Updates on that coming soon. I just ordered some parts for it actually, guys. So yeah, update coming soon on the jet ski. Stay tuned for that. But for now, what we're gonna do, let's go ahead, stick the siphon tube down. It stopped, so maybe it's doesn't want to come out quite yet. Let's try this again. Let's try to stick it all the way down. Looks like we're not getting anything, guys, yet, so I'll get back to you when we are. Alright guys, I figured out the easiest way to do this is just take out the sending unit for the fuel, and then we're going to take the siphon hose and put it down in there. Then, hold on, let me get out of the boat now. Here, Dad, just pump it until fuel starts coming out. Okay, here comes the fuel. There you go, pump it. Now pull that black piece off that you're squeezing. Pull it off. Now it's just gonna drain. Alright guys, I'll see you when we're done draining this. Man, look at this thing, guys. She's a beaut. She is real nice in the water. Oh yeah. What a pretty gal. Alright guys, we're in the water. We got the boat in the water. I'm just kind of floating around because it's real nice outside. But we finished the boat build. It's finally done. There's probably a few little more things that I'll do, and I'll update you guys as I do some mods on this boat. I'm probably going to do a wake rack that goes over it like that. And then I'll show you the inside. Nice! So like I said, next steps for this boat. It's running pretty good, except it likes to die down a little bit. I'll show you guys that. We got the anchor out right now. So I think we need to fix the throttle cable because it's like slipping or something. And then the last thing that I'm going to do with this thing is I think I'm going to build some wooden boxes to go right here with some speakers and stuff. And then I'll probably paint this because I really don't feel like laying down carpet there. Then I may or may not finish the flooring up there because I don't really care that much. Nobody can see up there anyways. And then I'm thinking that I'm going to get a wake rack to go like this. So we can do like water sports, like water skiing. And what's the other thing with the board? I don't even remember. Something with the board. And tubing. But we can tube from here because there's a... What's up, Dad? There's a hook right here for the tubes. But either way, I'm so happy that we got this thing on the water. It's doing amazing. So it's great. It's real nice out here today. It's about 90 degrees. Can you get up? And the other thing that I'm a little bit worried about is this ladder. You can see that this screw is pretty stripped out right here. It'll just come up, which is not good, but all 3 others stay intact pretty well. So yeah, look at this anchor. We're all the way over here. At least it's keeping us still.
Not really, the boat's still moving.
Well, it's moving, but that anchor ain't moving. Feel this, look at this. It's like a banjo. But yeah, guys, we're gonna get back to driving here. I don't know, go rip it some more.
Tim's River Shore. We didn't dock, we were just checking it out. We're gonna come here and eat sometime. I think we're gonna go ahead and head back. It's been a good afternoon, huh? Hey, check out the tiki boat. Go on over to the tiki boat. Let's check it out. It's a pontoon boat for real. That's cool.
Got the boat all docked up. Yeah, Dad's gonna get the truck. He's gonna pack it in. We're gonna load up for the day.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Yeah, go forward. Good. All right, hold on.
Put me up. Right, guys. First try this time. We got the boat out yesterday, and it took us about 3 or 4 tries to even get this thing on here. But guess gotta put the trim up too. Forgot about that. See my trim gauge. Well, it's not working, but it's going up. Trim's all the way up.
Good.
The boat tight?
When we come out.
That's right.
Stay in the boat.
Go ahead, pull me out. Boat's doing really good.